All right, Silverado Sav, -4 degrees, northern Wisconsin. Startup. Sat for the last 16 hours. See how she goes. Like a champ. She's gonna burp a little bit, but fired up, no problem. No, didn't have to plug it in last night or anything. So I'll bring you another test. It's supposed to get colder. Might see 20, 30 below here this weekend, so we'll see what she can do. So just for your reference, it shows 4 degrees here, but on the actual thermostat for the weather station, it says -4. So 4, I think, is being generous. It's freaking cold. All right, peace out. All right, Silverado Sav here, northern Wisconsin, 18 below. It was 40 below wind chill. Silverado's been sitting out here the entire time. Used it yesterday, got back about noon. So it's been sitting since noon. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. Wind chill is 40 below. So without further ado, let's get this start done. It is not plugged in. So no plug. According to the manual, says it's good to 22 below unassisted. And tonight though, we may have to plug it in. So let's see what she does. Seats are like rocks. All right, moment of truth, huh? Without a hiccup, man. This truck is awesome. She's burping. Shaking a little bit, but she's fired right up. So we'll see what she does. Let her warm up for a little bit. Let her do her thing. There you go. 13 below right now, 9:20 in the morning. This truck has ceased to amaze me yet. I mean, it has amazing. So, purrs like a kitten. There you go, 13 below, 40 below wind chills, no problem. All right, Silverado Nation, 28 below, morning start, normal wind chill, 28 below. Here we go. No problems. Stay running. And there she goes.